Hello friends, in the many of the mobile phone you have seen that if you will turn on the mobile data on Airtel, BSnl, Vodafone, this type of SIM card, then what happen if you are also using the Geo along with that, then you will not able to access the Geo. Okay, for accessing the Geo, for using the Geo you have to turn on the mobile data only on Geo, then you will able to access the both the SIM. Otherwise you will able to access only one SIM. That is the biggest issue in many of the mobile phone. But in the Poco X2 basically, and many mobile phone, those who are supporting the dual VoLTE, you can fix this type of issue very easily. So you can see here that I am using Airtel, you can see. Okay, in Airtel means mobile data I am using from the Airtel, but still I am able to access the Geo without any issue in the Poco X2. So, and also you can notice that on the network area where network signal is showing, you can see here that VoLTE is written for both the network. It means for both the SIM card where VoLTE is enabled. Okay, so if you will go to the settings and if you will go to the SIM card and mobile network, then you will find one option which is a dual 4G. Once you will turn on this toggle, then you will able to access both the SIM card at the same time. Means it doesn't matter you are using the mobile data in Airtel or Geo, you will able to access very easily in both the SIM. Means mobile phone call will come, incoming, outgoing, everything will be perfectly will come and will work properly fine. So I hope that you understand. If you will face any issue related to this, and if you have any query feedback, then definitely comment us. Thank you for watching.